Welcome back to Huffler Garage. So today we're going to be doing a video of the Tool Daily undercarriage cleaner slash broom sweeper or water sweeper. And so we bought this thing off Amazon. We'll leave the links in the description. So we're going to be washing our Tahoe, we're going to do a compact car, and we're going to try out a sports car to see how well it does underneath. So we're going to show you that, and we hope you enjoy. So we've shown you what it looks like under an SUV. This is a very comparable compact car. When rolling under this one, let's see if we have any issues on the height. Does not look like so. Completely roll under it. For this compact car, I do believe the angle piece of the extensions works better. Obviously on the SUV it's a lot longer, it's a lot wider, and it seemed like we could get a better reach with just setting it up straightway. So overall this thing is going to work good for this little car and getting all the salt off. So we've tested out the SUV, we've tested out the compact car. If you have a sports car like this, sadly, it will not go underneath it. But, oh well. Once you've cleaned your undercarriage and you got dirt and mud on your driveway, this also operates as a broom sweeper, so we're going to show you that function as well. So with our Tool Daily piece, we're using this pressure washer here. It is a 2300 PSI pressure washer. Some of the reviews said they needed like 3000 PSI. This thing seemed to do pretty good with the 2300 PSI pressure washer. As far as this apparatus goes, it seems to work very well. We showed you the broom sweeping part of it where you can flip it around, and that is all easily done. I think they did a really good job at this. This little pin allows you to adjust it. It locks in place so you can do that broom sweep and the undercarriage. Tell us what you think. We hope you've enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and follow us for more. Quick disclaimer, we bought this with our own money. We are not sponsored by Tool Daily, and we do like it, so tell us what you think.